Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Finance Buddy, your friendly guide to mastering personal finance. We make finance simple, fun, and accessible for everyone, whether you're saving for a goal, staying updated on market trends, or looking for smart ways to grow your money. Here, you'll find the latest financial news explained, practical tips to manage your budget, and easy to follow trading suggestions. We also believe in empowering you with financial education, offering quick lessons and relatable examples to help you understand how money works. Let's dive into today's highlights and take the next step on your financial journey together. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Let's start with Netflix. Netflix just had a fantastic quarter, and its stock shot up 15%. They added almost 19 million new subscribers, way more than anyone expected. With earnings of $4.27 per share and a whopping $10.25 billion in revenue, it's clear people love their shows, especially with the new ad-supported plan. Netflix is definitely winning the streaming battle. Now, let's talk about Tesla. Tesla is buzzing with excitement. Analysts are saying the stock could jump 32.5% to $550. They believe Tesla could hit a market value of $2 trillion soon, especially if their cool robot, Optimus, becomes a hit. Sure, there might be some bumps in the road with new electric vehicle rules, but Tesla's focus on self-driving cars and AI could keep them cruising ahead. Next up is Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson just reported some awesome numbers. Their sales went up 5.3% to $22.52 billion, thanks to a big demand for cancer treatments. They're projecting sales of up to $91.7 billion for the year, which is super impressive. With strong earnings and smart acquisitions, Johnson & Johnson is definitely a player to watch in the healthcare game. Overall, these news stories highlight a positive trend in the market, with companies like Netflix, Tesla, and Johnson & Johnson showing strong growth and promising futures, which could boost investor confidence and encourage more investment in these sectors. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Let's break down some simple finance terms. A hedge fund is a private investment group that uses high-risk strategies to aim for large profits. A ticker symbol is a short code, like Apple for Apple, that helps identify a stock on the stock market. Leverage means borrowing money to invest more, which can increase both potential gains and losses. A penny stock is a low-priced stock, usually under $5, that tends to be riskier and can change in value quickly. CAGR stands for Compound Annual Growth Rate, which is the average yearly growth rate of an investment over a specific time period. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's talk about why Casey could be a smart investment choice. First off, Casey is in a strong financial position. It has a very low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.12, which means it doesn't rely heavily on borrowing. Plus, it can easily cover its interest payments, with an interest coverage ratio of 6.17. This shows that Casey is good at managing its debt. The company also has a healthy free cash flow of $15.37 per share, which is great because it means they have cash left over after expenses. Its price-to-earnings ratio of 21.71 suggests that the stock is fairly priced based on its earnings. Casey operates in the defense and technology sector, which is expected to keep growing. This could mean good things for the company over the next year or so. However, it's important to keep in mind that there are risks. Changes in government spending, economic downturns, or shifts in technology could impact Casey's performance. Overall, Casey looks promising, but always remember to do your research and consider the risks before investing. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Imagine you want to taste a variety of fruits without buying each one separately. That's what an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, does for investing. It bundles many stocks into one easy-to-buy share, making it perfect for long-term growth. Now, think of the MSCI World Index as a global fruit basket, representing companies from 23 countries. By investing in it, you can enjoy the benefits of worldwide diversification, reducing risk while still savoring potential rewards. Let's talk about the MSCI World Index, which is like a big basket of stocks from companies all around the world. It helps investors see how the global stock market is doing. Recently, MSCI is set to report its earnings soon, and people on Wall Street are expecting good news, like they think the company will make more money compared to last year. That's a positive sign. Also, Wells Fargo, a big bank, has given MSCI a hold rating, which means they think it's a decent investment but not a must-buy right now. They've set a price target of $623, which is what they think the stock could be worth. If you want to keep an eye on how the MSCI World Index is performing, you can find live updates and historical data online. It's a great way to see how global markets are moving. Remember, investing comes with risks. Think long term, be patient, and only invest what you won't need right away. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Imagine waking up every day without the need to go to work. That's the dream of FIRE, financial independence, retire early. It's all about saving and investing wisely so you can enjoy life on your own terms. First, start by tracking your expenses. Knowing where your money goes helps you identify areas to cut back. For example, if you love coffee, consider brewing it at home instead of buying it daily. Those small savings add up. Next, focus on increasing your income. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or even selling items you no longer need. Every extra dollar can boost your savings. Once you have a budget and some extra cash, aim to save at least 20% of your income. This might sound tough, but it's key to reaching FIRE. Invest this money in low-cost index funds or retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. Lastly, set a target for your FIRE number, the amount you need to live comfortably without working. This number varies for everyone, so think about your lifestyle and expenses. Remember, the journey to FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small wins along the way. Start today by tracking your spending for a week. You might be surprised at where you can save. Chapter 6, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap the key highlights we covered. First, we discussed the exciting news about Netflix, which soared 15%, thanks to impressive subscriber growth. This shows how strong performance can significantly impact stock prices, making it a noteworthy moment in the market. Next, we explored the world of hedge funds, private investment groups that employ high-risk strategies to chase substantial profits. Understanding these can help you grasp the broader investment landscape. We also highlighted Casey as a potential smart investment choice. This company operates in a sector that shows promise, making it worth considering for your portfolio. In our ETF Strategy segment, we likened investing in ETFs to sampling a variety of fruits without having to buy each one individually. This approach allows for diversification and can help mitigate risk. Finally, we delved into the concept of achieving FIRE, financial independence, retire early. We provided a step-by-step overview to help you envision a future where you can wake up without financial worries. Now, for my personal investment strategy, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and experimenting with $10 in a fractional share of our suggested best buy pick, Casey, both with 101 leverage. This demonstrates the importance of cautious and diversified investing. Remember, always do your research, test your strategies, and consult a financial advisor when needed. If you enjoyed today's content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us reach more people and ensures you don't miss out on future episodes filled with practical financial tips tailored to your journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions for future topics in the comments below. Your input helps us create content that meets your needs and fosters a community where we can all learn and grow together. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.